Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting concepts in the blockchain world, sharding. You've probably heard the term thrown around, especially when people talk about making blockchains faster and more efficient. But what does it actually mean? Stick around because we're going to break it down visually and make it super simple to understand. Imagine a single-lane highway. During off-peak hours, traffic flows smoothly. But during rush hour, it's a total gridlock. Cars are backed up for miles, and it takes forever to get anywhere. This is a lot like how popular blockchains can get. When too many people are trying to send transactions at once, the network gets congested, transaction fees skyrocket, and everything slows down to a crawl. This is the scalability problem. So, how do we fix this digital traffic jam? Enter sharding. Now, imagine instead of that single-lane highway, we build a massive, multi-lane superhighway. Sharding does something similar for a blockchain. It splits the entire network into smaller, more manageable pieces called shards. Think of each shard as its own dedicated lane on our superhighway. Each shard has its own set of transactions and its own group of validators to process them. So, instead of every single computer on the network or node having to process every single transaction, the workload gets divided. Let's say we have 1,000 transactions that need to be processed. On a non-sharded blockchain, every node has to work through all 1,000. It's like one cashier trying to serve 1,000 customers. With sharding, we could split those transactions across, say, 10 shards. Now, each shard only has to process 100 transactions. This is called parallel processing, and it's a game changer. Suddenly, our network can handle 10 times the traffic, just like our superhighway can handle more cars than the single-lane road. This means faster confirmation times and lower fees for everyone. But wait, you might be thinking, if you split the blockchain up, doesn't that make it less secure? That's a fantastic question, and it's a major concern that developers have worked hard to address. Splitting the network could theoretically make a single shard easier to attack than the whole chain. To prevent this, sharded blockchains use clever mechanisms. For example, they randomly assign validators to different shards and regularly shuffle them around. This makes it incredibly difficult for a group of bad actors to coordinate and take control of any single shard. Furthermore, all these shards still communicate with each other. There's usually a main chain, often called a beacon chain or relay chain, that coordinates everything. It acts like an air traffic controller, making sure all the shards are in sync and that the overall state of the blockchain is secure and consistent. This main chain doesn't process transactions itself. Its job is to manage the shards and stitch their work together, preserving the integrity of the entire system. So, to recap, sharding takes a big, slow blockchain and divides it into smaller, faster shards. These shards process transactions in parallel, dramatically increasing the network's capacity and speed. Through clever security measures like random validator assignment and a coordinating main chain, it achieves this scalability without compromising the security and decentralization that make blockchains so powerful. It's like turning a congested country road into a seamless, high-speed superhighway. Sharding is a key solution that's helping blockchains prepare for mass adoption, making them ready to handle everything from global finance to gaming and beyond. It's complex under the hood, but the core idea is beautifully simple: divide and conquer. I hope this visual explanation helped you understand the magic of blockchain sharding. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto and blockchain technology. Let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.